What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boom's channel. Hey guys, what's up? Buddy Boom here from Northwest Washington, father of 5, and I've been quietly making money from home for about over 10 years now. All right, guys. So I got something for you. It is, gosh, it's a beautiful day out here. Hold on a second here. Damn, it's actually warm out. Got some air in here. All right, so Buddy Boom from Northwest Washington. I'm back with you with some more content. Hope you guys are doing good in this shutdown. Here in Washington, I think we're going back to phase 3, trying to get things back into some normalcy here. So I know a lot of you guys are at home. A lot of people are stuck without any income, or some people are just working short hours. I wanted to actually stop by and just give you guys some quick content, how you can start getting some residual income working from the comfort of your home. And I've been following this millionaire mentor around. Some of you watched my videos. His name is Vic Hutchinson, and I have this residual income program. It's just a $25 program. I'm here in the phone's not letting me move around very much in the back end, but it's a very simplified program. It's called This Is Not MLM. It's a $25 program, and this is also considered the junior program of This Is Not MLM. There's a This Is Not MLM Pro, where you actually have a automated traffic software that you can sell for it's a $2,000 product, and you can get $1,000, 50% commissions, cash in your mailbox. But this program, it actually starts off at the This Is Not MLM Junior. So those of you that can't afford that $2,000 product, we have this junior program. You're gonna have it's a marketing membership. You're gonna have access to a bunch of training videos that has a lot of nuggets, where you're actually gonna get some nuggets from a millionaire mentor that has actually, proved himself in this industry. He's already gotten wealthy and gotten rich from this make money niche. And he made this program. It's called This Is Not MLM. It's called This Is Not MLM Junior Program. The junior name is not in there, but they call it the junior program just to kind of separate the two of the programs. Okay, so it's a $25 program, and you get to add your own pay link to this. All right, so what I actually add my pay link, it's called the Wave app, and the Wave app is a free app. It's not really an app. It's like I guess it's like Stripe or PayPal, but they don't mess with you if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer. And it takes a few minutes to set up. I've actually added my prepaid MasterCard to this program, and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. So we actually meet up once every week on Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern time, and this is how you can close your clients with this program. You can invite them to take a look at or come to this meeting at 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's actually 5 p.m. over here in the Pacific Northwest. And you can invite people to come check it out. And so I'm going to put the link down in the description, guys. This is worth checking out. If you guys want to make some residual income, invite people to come check this out. You can get $25 per week per person. So, that's $100 per person. So just with, 10 people, that's an extra $1,000 a month that you'd be gaining just from inviting people to this simple program. This website is really generic. There's nothing really special about the back office or anything. There's a place where you can add your own pay link, and it has some training videos, and then you're going to have access to, you can see it says 2018 training videos, and you see these different little icons here. These are actually different videos that you'll have access to that go back to 2017 all the way to 2020 and soon to be 2021, once we get more videos stacked up in there, training videos. These are video meetings that we have every week. These are the meetings that we actually meet up on Mondays. Vic records them and puts them in the trainings. Some of these training videos are about traffic methods, getting people in front of your business. Others are about mindset and personal development. And a lot of them talk about how us marketers get into the shiny object syndrome and how to stay out of that. So it's a really great program. You get to get the sense of being a part of a community. Being a community, you get to meet up with people every week, and it's not like we're doing the Zoom meeting. If you guys are shy and you don't want to show your face or anything like that, this is kind of like a chat room setting. Vic does the talking and we do the typing, and he'll ask questions and we type back to him. So we're not actually showing face to face for the ones that are a little bit shy, that don't want to show their face on camera. It's not even like that. It's kind of like a chat room setting. So this is not MLM. Okay, you guys, if you guys want to find a way to get weekly residual income, $25 per person, each person, that's $100 a month. So you get 5, 10, 20 people aboard. That's life-changing income for you. That's, that could be, that's like another job without having to go out there and actually do the trading the hours for money. And you're just inviting people to come take a look at your program. Like I just do these review videos just to just so one or two people will check down the link in the description, check out this program, and if it's for them, they'll click on it and get back at me and join. And a few of them will join the $2,000 program, and I can get $1,000 a person mailbox cash in the pro program. So this is not MLM Junior, the $25 program. I'm going to put that link in the description. This is not MLM Pro, which is a $2,000 marketing or traffic software. I want to put that in the description also. So whatever, package or whatever you want to call it, you guys want to come take a look at and join. You can get $1,000 commissions, or you can get $25 per person each week, which is $100 a month per person with residual income. So pretty simplified. You just invite people to the meetings. You invite people to come check out the presentation. This is actually the presentation right here. It's not letting me press play for some reason, but that's fine. I just wanted to give you guys a kind of an idea of how you guys can actually get residual income every single week, or you can get $1,000 commissions. Man, it's hot in here. Let's open this up here. But I just wanted to drop in, make a quick video, guys, because it's been a couple of weeks. Everything's been kind of out of whack for me. I told you guys I broke my toe back in November. That's actually threw me off. I was off balance. My back was hurting when I was getting up. Wasn't motivated to do these videos. And then I've been getting people contacting me on YouTube and my cell phone. Even some people calling me like, "What's up? How come you're not doing these videos? Are you okay?" I'm fine, guys. I actually went to the chiropractor the other day. They did an adjustment. My hips were out. I feel amazing now. And I can get around a lot better, so I can start doing more of these videos. But I just wanted to drop in. Check out the link in the description, guys, if you want to get residual income. I have a few other picks and shovel programs, marketing systems. This is just one of a few. I have a marketing system with autoresponders. You can start for $10 a month. Another one where you can go $50 a month. And pretty cool. I'll put those links down in the description also. My other methods of making money from home. I've been doing this for over 10 years, so I'm getting money consistently coming in on the side while I work a full-time job. I work 40 hours a week. I'm a security guard. I'm actually on break right now, sitting out in my car. That's why I had to come out and open the sunroof up in here. So I thought, guys, it's possible. You can make money on the side, a side hustle, while you're a busy person like I am. I work 40 hours a week. I have 5 kids, 4 of them are at home. I'm a father. I have a wife at home. I work full time. I work, full-time husband too, and I make money on the side. So, that's kind of saying something there. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. I just invite people to come take a look at what I'm doing just by saying, hey, check out how I'm making money on social media. Check it out. If it's for you, great. If it's not, then, no big deal. Thanks for stopping by. Pretty simple. I invite people by doing review videos. I make posts on social media. Vic Hutchinson, he actually makes posts every day that we can copy. We can post them on our own social media, just like copy and paste. And we just go to his page every day, copy the video or copy the image, and then he puts the content down even. We don't even have to think of any content to write down. That's all we do is copy his content and then add our own pay link to it, our own affiliate link. So we don't have to come up with our own stuff when it comes to social media. And you can do review videos like I'm doing also. And I have the system where I actually call people up or text people and invite them to take a look at what I'm doing. So there's many ways that you can do this, guys. So, are we still going here? Oh yeah, I thought we stopped. So at that, I got to get back in there. Got about half hour of my day left. I had to come out and just get this sun rays for a minute. Beautiful day out. At that, guys, I'll see you guys on the inside. Don't forget to check out those links in the description. God bless. Hope you guys are having a good 2021, and see you on the next video. Peace out.